Hello, it's Y. Welcome to Yerevan, a living museum of pink stone where every building tells a story spanning millennia. In the next minutes, we'll explore 7 iconic landmarks, dive into the city's rich architectural history, and wrap up with 25 fascinating facts about Armenia's vibrant capital. Let's start. Yerevan lies at 990 m above sea level on the Hrazdan River, framed by Mount Ararat to the south. Capital of Armenia, first established 1918, but roots trace to Urartian Kingdom, 8th c. BC. Cultural crossroads: Persian, Ottoman, Russian, Soviet, and contemporary global influences. Urartian foundations: 782 BC, 600 BC Arabuni fortress, massive walls of red and black tuff, evidence of advanced hydraulic engineering. Early Christian, 4th to 7th c, emergence of basilicas and central domed churches, simple geometric volumes, thick walls, small windows. Medieval monastic era, 9th to 14th c, development of the cruciform plan, intricate stone carvings, kochkars, seismic-resistant construction techniques. Persian and Ottoman interlude, 15th to 18th c, brick-built caravanserais, bathhouses with domed chambers, Persian ornamental motifs. Russian imperial and neoclassicism, 19th c, neoclassical facades, symmetrical layouts, public squares inspired by European capitals. Soviet modernism, 1920s, 1970s, Alexander Tamanyan's 1924 master plan, axial boulevards, monumental public buildings, fusion of Armenian motifs with socialist realism. Post-Soviet and contemporary, 1990s today. Adaptive reuse of Soviet structures, glass steel towers, pedestrian plazas, street art and installations. Republic Square, central plaza designed by Tamanyan. 5 pink-tuff neoclassical buildings, musical fountains, evening light shows reflecting Armenian motifs. Cascade Complex, monumental stairway linking downtown to Monument neighborhood. Mix of marble, tuff, contemporary sculpture, rooftop panoramas. Armenian Opera Theater, 1933 neoclassical landmark with marble facades, bronze statues, adjacent sculpture park celebrating Armenian artists. Matanadaran, repository of ancient manuscripts, domed building, carved stone friezes, rare folios, ideal for detail shots. Blue Mosque, 1766 Persian Shia mosque. Azure tiles, tranquil courtyard, ornamental minarets, unique in the former USSR. Mother Armenia and Victory Park, giant statue, 1967, overlooking city. Museum in pedestal, panoramic cable car ride. Vernissage Market and Saryen Street, open-air bazaar of handcrafted souvenirs, Saryen's Art Street, murals, galleries, pop-up exhibitions. Founded in 782 BC by King Arjishti Ayavarartu, one of the world's oldest continuously inhabited cities. The Pink City, most buildings are clad in local pink volcanic tuff. Alexander Tamanayan's 1924 master plan still guides urban development. Over 200 public sculptures and monuments decorate the city. Metro stations feature Armenian folk motifs and mosaics. Mother Armenia statue, 1967, stands as a guardian over the city. First Soviet city built from the ground up after the revolution. Hosts the Golden Apricot Film Festival since 2004. Blue Mosque, 1766, is the only active Persian mosque in the former USSR. Arabuni inscription cuneiform, discovered in 1950s under city layers. Yerevan brandy cellars host degustation tours. Churchill was a fan. Vernissage stall holders include multi-generation artisan families. The Birds of City Park host a pink lake colored by microalgae. Redbridge spans Hrazdan River, site of annual soapbox derby. Yerevan's first university opened in 1919. Today's state university named after Lomonosov. Lovers Park 2008 blends Japanese garden design with Armenian landscape. Opera and ballet building's rooftop hosts open-air concerts in summer. The city's clock tower chimes every quarter hour with Armenian folk melodies. Arabuni Museum's neon reconstruction shows original fortress colors. Yerevan TV Tower 311M offers one of the tallest observatories in the Caucasus. Soviet-era fountains on Bagramian Avenue play classical music scores. The Red Tufa quarries south of city supply stone for new buildings. Android-style Motherland statue erected in 1950 by Avidik Avedisyan. Every November 29th, the city celebrates Yerevan Day with concerts and fireworks. That's Yerevan. Ancient foundations, Soviet grandeur, and modern vibrancy woven into pink stone. Which fact surprised you most? Comment below, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more architectural journeys.